Welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about milk hygiene. This lecture is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture. Or you can directly visit to my channel, my student support system. So what is milk hygiene? Milk hygiene is defined as the handling and keeping the milk clean, safe and free from any disease producing microorganisms. This is known as milk hygiene. By milk hygiene, or we can say by maintaining the milk hygiene properly, we can prevent the spread of milk-borne diseases in human beings. What is the sources of infection in the milk? From where the infection is mingled with the milk? The sources of infection or contamination of milk may be from the dairy animal. That animal may be having the particular disease. Then human handler means the milkman who is rearing the milk animal, that may be suffering from the infection, and this infection the infective agent may contaminate the milk. And finally, the environment, contaminated vessels where the milkman is milking the milk, then polluted water may be there, flies, dust. So from these sources, the milk gets infected. What are the milk-borne diseases? The milk-borne diseases can be classified as number one, the infection of animal that transmits to the human being. This includes tuberculosis, brucellosis, streptococcal infections, staphylococcal infections, salmonellosis, Q fever, cowpox, foot and mouth disease, anthrax, leptospirosis, and tick-borne encephalitis. If you want to know about these diseases, we will discuss all these diseases or infection in later upcoming classes. So you can subscribe the channel and you can continue to visit the channel and search the topics. Second classification or second group of milk-borne diseases are the infection to the human being that transmits through the milk. And under this group, we have the diseases typhoid and paratyphoid fevers, shigellosis, cholera, enteropathogenic Escherichia coli or E. coli, streptococcal infection as well as staphylococcal infection, diphtheria, tuberculosis, enterovirus, and viral hepatitis. Now we come to the process of milk hygiene or steps to keep the milk clean and safe. Under this, first point is healthy animal. The first and essential factor in production of clean and safe milk is the healthy and clean animal. The cow or buffalo from where we get milk, that should be healthy. The milk from a healthy animal contains only a few organisms or very less organisms. The milk giving animal should be free from any disease and kept clean by the owner. Then clean place. Yes, of course, the premises where the animal is housed or kept and milk should be sanitary and free from flies and dust and environmental pollutants. Clean utensils, the milk vessels where the milkman is milking, or the machines, that should be sterile and always kept covered. Healthy milkman, the milk handler must be free from communicable diseases, and before milking they must wash their hands and arms. Clean machines. Where possible, the clean and sterile milking machines should be used so that the milk is not touched by hands. Then cooling and handling. After milking, the milk should be cooled immediately to below 10 degrees centigrade. After it is drawn to because it retards or contains the bacterial growth. In the production of good quality milk, cleanliness of all containers and equipments in which the milk is handled should be maintained throughout in the supply chain also. Pasteurization of milk. The pasteurization is defined as heating the milk to such a temperature and for such a period of time as are required to destroy any pathogen that may be present while causing minimal change in the composition, flavor and nutrient value of the milk. Pasteurization kills nearly 90% of the bacteria in the milk, including more heat-resistant tubercle bacilli and Q fever organisms. It should be kept cold until it reaches to the consumer. Hygienically produced pasteurized milk has a keeping quality not more than 8 to 10 hours at 18 degrees centigrade. This we should keep in our mind. Pasteurization may be done by any one of the following methods: Holder method, HTST method and UHT method. In Holder method, the milk is kept at 63 to 66 degrees centigrade for at least 30 minutes and then quickly cooled to 5 degrees centigrade. This method is recommended for small and rural communities. HTST method. High temperature, short time. This is the method. In this method, the milk is rapidly heated to a temperature of 72 degrees centigrade and is held at this temperature for 15 seconds and then rapidly cooled to 4 degrees centigrade. This is now most widely used method. Very large quantity of milk can be pasteurized by this method in big milk plants. UHT method, ultra high temperature method. In this method, the milk is rapidly heated, usually in two stages. The second stage is being done by under a pressure to 125 degrees centigrade for few seconds only, and then it is rapidly cooled and bottled as quickly as possible. So this is all about milk hygiene. For more such lectures, you can subscribe the channel, like Facebook page. For making your notes, you can visit my blogger, mynursingstudents.blogspot.com. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.